Real estate is a powerful way to build wealth. It's a tangible asset that has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate provides a sense of security because it's a physical asset you can see and touch. Plus, it has the potential to appreciate in value over time, providing both immediate and long-term financial benefits. But what if you don't have a pile of cash? Many people think that you need to have a lot of money saved up to get started in real estate investing. This misconception can be discouraging, but it's important to know that there are ways to invest without having a large sum of money up front. That's okay. You can still invest in real estate with zero of your own money. There are various strategies, such as leveraging other people's money, using creative financing options, or even partnering with other investors. These methods can help you get your foot in the door without needing to empty your savings account. Many people think you need to be rich to invest in property. This simply isn't true. The real estate market is accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can start building their real estate portfolio. There are creative strategies you can use to get started with little to no cash. For example, you can look into seller financing, where the seller acts as the lender, or explore lease options that allow you to control a property without owning it outright. These techniques can open doors to opportunities that might seem out of reach. Investing in real estate can provide financial freedom. Imagine having a steady stream of income from rental properties or the satisfaction of flipping a house for a profit. Real estate can offer a path to financial independence, allowing you to live life on your own terms. It can create passive income streams and build long-term wealth. Rental properties, for instance, can generate monthly income with minimal effort once they are set up. Over time, the value of your properties can increase, adding to your net worth and providing a solid financial foundation. Don't let a lack of funds hold you back from achieving your financial goals. There are numerous resources and strategies available to help you get started, even if you're starting from scratch. The key is to educate yourself and take action. This guide will show you how to get started step by step. We'll cover everything from finding the right properties to securing financing and managing your investments. With the right guidance, you can navigate the real estate market with confidence. We'll use simple language and real-life examples to make it easy to understand. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your existing knowledge, this guide is designed to help you succeed in the world of real estate investing. One of the easiest ways to invest with no money is to find a partner. A partner can bring what you lack, whether it's cash, credit, or construction skills. Look for someone with a shared vision for real estate investing. Talk about your goals and how you can work together to achieve them. You might contribute your time finding deals and managing properties. Your partner might provide the down payment or renovation funds. A partnership agreement is crucial. It outlines each person's responsibilities, contributions, and share of the profits. Wholesaling involves finding great deals on properties and assigning the contract to another buyer. You're essentially the middleman, profiting from the difference in price. First, you need to find deeply discounted properties. Look for motivated sellers facing foreclosure or needing a quick sale. Once you find a deal, put it under contract with the seller. Then, find an investor willing to buy the property from you at a higher price. You make a profit without ever owning the property. The difference between your purchase price and the price you sell it for is your wholesale fee. Meet Sarah, a single mom who wanted to invest in real estate but had no money. She had always dreamed of providing a better life for her children, but the financial constraints seemed insurmountable. Despite the odds, Sarah was determined to find a way to break free from her financial struggles. One day, while researching online, she stumbled upon the concept of wholesaling real estate. Intrigued, she dove deep into learning everything she could about it. She read books, watched videos, and joined online forums to gather as much information as possible. Sarah spent her evenings searching for properties in pre-foreclosure. She knew that these properties were often sold at a discount, providing an opportunity for a profitable deal. She meticulously combed through listings, looking for the perfect opportunity. After weeks of searching, she found a house in a good neighborhood that needed some work. The property had potential, but it was clear that the current owner was struggling to maintain it. Sarah saw this as her chance. The owner was desperate to sell and accepted Sarah's offer of $80,000. She knew she had to act quickly to secure the deal, so she prepared an offer sheet and presented it to the owner, who was relieved to have a way out of their financial predicament. Sarah then found an investor willing to pay $110,000 for the property. She networked tirelessly, reaching out to potential investors and showcasing the property's potential. Her hard work paid off when she found an investor who saw the same opportunity she did. Sarah assigned her contract to the investor, pocketing a cool $30,000 profit. This was a life-changing moment for her. The profit she made from this deal was more than she had ever imagined possible. She did all this without using any of her own money. Sarah's journey from zero to hero is a testament to the power of determination, education, and hard work. She proved that with the right mindset and effort, anyone can achieve their dreams, no matter how impossible they may seem. Section 5. House hacking, live for free, invest for profit. House hacking involves buying a multi-family property and living in one unit while renting out the others. This strategy is particularly popular among young investors and first-time homebuyers who are looking to break into the real estate market without taking on a huge financial burden. By choosing a property with multiple units, you can offset your living expenses significantly. The rent from your tenants helps cover your mortgage and expenses. Imagine receiving monthly rent checks that go directly towards paying off your home loan. This not only reduces your financial stress, but also accelerates your journey to owning the property outright. Over time, as you pay down the mortgage, your equity in the property increases, giving you more financial leverage. You get to live rent-free or even make a profit from your living situation. This extra income can be used to invest in other opportunities, save for future expenses, or simply improve your quality of life. The financial freedom that comes with house hacking can be life-changing, allowing you to focus on other goals and aspirations. This strategy allows you to build equity in your property while living there. As you continue to make mortgage payments, the value of your investment grows. Additionally, real estate generally appreciates over time, meaning your property could be worth significantly more in the future. This dual benefit of living cost-free and building wealth makes house hacking an attractive option for many. Look for duplexes, triplexes, or even larger multifamily properties. These types of properties offer the best opportunities for house hacking because they provide multiple rental units. When searching for the right property, consider factors like location, potential rental income, and the condition of the building. A well-chosen property can maximize your returns and minimize your risks. Use an FHA loan, which requires only a 3.5% down payment. This type of loan is designed to make homeownership more accessible, especially for first-time buyers. With a lower down payment requirement, you can enter the real estate market sooner and start benefiting from house hacking without needing a large amount of upfront capital. This strategy is ideal for those who want to live in their investment property and manage it themselves. By being on site, you can easily handle maintenance issues, interact with tenants, and ensure that your property is well maintained. This hands-on approach not only saves money on property management fees, but also gives you greater control over your investment. House hacking is a practical and effective way to build wealth through real estate while enjoying the benefits of homeownership. Section 6. Seller Financing. Be the bank, reap the rewards. In seller financing, the seller acts as the bank, providing you with a loan to purchase the property. This method can be beneficial if you can't qualify for traditional financing. You'll negotiate the loan terms directly with the seller, including the interest rate, down payment, and repayment schedule. Seller financing can be a win-win situation. You get to buy a property without going through a bank, and the seller may get a better return than selling traditionally. Section 7. A seller financing success story from doubt to dream home. John, a young entrepreneur, dreamed of owning a small apartment building. However, his credit history wasn't strong enough for a bank loan. He found a motivated seller who was open to seller financing. They agreed on a 10% down payment and a 6% interest rate, payable over 15 years. John secured his dream property without needing perfect credit. The rental income from the apartments covered his mortgage payments and generated passive income. Section 8. Ready to dive in? Your first steps to real estate riches. Investing in real estate with no money is achievable. Start by educating yourself about the different strategies available. Network with other investors, real estate agents, and professionals in the industry. They can provide valuable insights and guidance. Build your team of experts, such as a real estate attorney, accountant, and contractor. They'll be essential to your success. Take action. The best way to learn is by doing. Start small, gain experience, and gradually scale your investments over time. Section 9. Your future in bricks and mortar: building wealth, one property at a time. Investing in real estate can transform your financial future. It's a proven path to building wealth, generating passive income, and securing your financial freedom. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to get started. With creativity, persistence, and the right strategies, you can achieve your real estate investing goals. Embrace the journey, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of real estate investing is full of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Start building your real estate empire today.